Growth feels productive, more protein, more training, more calories, more stimulus, but biology does not treat constant growth as free. After 40, one of the central longevity questions is not how to maximize growth all the time. It is how to alternate growth with repair. Let's look at the mechanism behind this. mTOR is one of the main nutrient-sensing pathways that tells the cell conditions are favorable for building. That is useful. It helps drive protein synthesis, growth, and adaptation. But evidence indicates chronic mTOR activation is also tied to cellular senescence, reduced cleanup, and faster aging biology in multiple models. A 2014 review in Aging and Disease examined how the mTOR pathway promotes aging across model organisms and found that inhibiting mTOR later in life can significantly extend lifespan and mitigate multiple age-related diseases. One reason is simple. When mTOR stays high, autophagy tends to stay suppressed. A 2021 review in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed that mTOR-dependent signaling is required for the maintenance of cellular senescence, while autophagy is simultaneously upregulated through an mTOR-independent mechanism to fuel further senescence signaling. So the cell keeps expanding its structure while delaying some of its maintenance work. That may be useful in the short term. Over decades, it can become expensive. Now for the intervention layer. The experiment is not permanent suppression. That would be a mistake, especially for men trying to preserve muscle. The smarter approach is signal cycling, lift and eat in a way that creates a clear anabolic window. Then allow lower signal periods where repair can catch up. That can look like avoiding constant grazing, spacing meals clearly, keeping protein deliberate instead of random, and using hard training days and lighter recovery days for different biological jobs. Research on mTOR inhibition in aging has become compelling enough that it is now a major therapeutic target in longevity science. A 2023 review in Nature Aging described how mTOR inhibition promotes health and longevity in diverse model organisms and outlined how specific mTORC1 inhibition is now a central goal in clinical aging research. That does not mean you should try to shut mTOR down. It means the pathway is powerful enough that its timing matters. Here is the system interaction to keep in mind. The trade-off is that too much repair signaling can turn into under-recovery from training. Too little growth means weaker tissue. Too much growth means less cleanup. Longevity is not built from choosing one side. It is built from rhythm. The goal is not to live in scarcity. The goal is to stop sending the cell a permanent construction order. Growth is useful. Repair is essential. A stable system needs both.